Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Logical Solutions. Hope everyone are doing good. This episode is about 3D sculptor with XSHAPE, which enables us to create organic and complex shapes by using subdivision model. So let's create a model by modifying a standard subdivision primitives. Select the new component and I'm naming it as a cup. Here I'm going to create a cup with primitives and choose the path and click OK. So for a cup model, I'm selecting primitive subdivision cylinder from subdivision tab and dropping it at the origin. You can see the preview. So here I'm setting number of loops for couple of direction. So for stack from 3 to 6 and the pie slices from 8 to 10. And also I'm dragging the scale slider to about required size and click OK. Change the triad orientation to break a couple of faces down to the smaller divisions shapes that are more compatible with the object to make a handle. To do this, we'll be using the subdivision faces tool from the action bar. Adjust two faces simultaneously. I'll drag the handle outwards to make the center larger and click OK. View it into an isometric view to get the right orientation for selections. So now I'm selecting these two faces for extrusion process from action bar and click OK. Repeat the same step for the extrusion faces so that we end up with a pair of extrudes. To start forming the connection of our handle to the main body, lastly I'll select two opposite faces and click OK. You can see the connection of extrusions. So the outer handle seems little thick, so I'll select the outer rows of vertices and push them in a little, thinning the handle. Now from the action bar, selecting the arc bend used to bend selected vertices with the reference of YZ plane. When the line and arc appears, drag the handle at the end of the arc across horizontal line to shape the vertices and click OK. On the top of the handle, I'm adding another extrude. Now I'll use grease to sharpen the edges of the cylinder on the top of the model. You can see the slider. It can vary the sharpness of the edge. In this way, we'll repeat the same procedure by selecting the outer edges on the bottom. Here I'm sliding it up to 100 and click OK. So here now you can see we got the shape of cup from primitive subdivision cylinder. And now by clicking switch app, let's enter into the XDesign for some finishing touches. So here you can see now we are in the XDesign environment. Go to Features tab, select the fillet. Now I'm going to add a required fillet on the bottom edges. So select all the bottom edges and click on OK. Now I'm going to add a new sketch with the reference of YZ plane. Go to Sketch tab, selecting the line command and giving the desired sketch and adding dimensions for the revolve cut feature. Trim all the extra lines and give all the required dimensions. Make sure that it should be a close to profile for revolve cut feature. Now go to Features tab, select the revolve cut, give axis line and click OK. Finally, now I'm going to add a full round fillet on the top of the edge by selecting all the three required faces and click OK. And again giving constant fillet on the inner edge of about required radius and click OK. Now go to Views tab and select the View Mode settings, and from the presets I'm selecting the shades, the surfaces of the geometry. And from the Tools tab, I'm giving appearances by selecting some color. This is optional. So in this way we can create the models by taking subdivisional primitives from the XSHAPE of 3D sculptor. So if you like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Logical Solutions. For more further episodes and other videos, keep watching our channel.